Hi friends. So from Agentic AI question answer series, we are moving to question number 11. What is the purpose of an orchestrator or agent supervisor in Agentic AI? In multi-agent system, the orchestrator is a central controller that manages the flow of tasks. It delegates subtasks to specialized agents, manages communication between them, and aggregates their results to present a final solution. Moving to question number 12. How can an agent learn and adapt over time? So, friends, agents are learning every time and then they are gaining the information. So agents can learn through reinforcement learning, receiving reward and penalties for successful or failed action, feedback loops, learning from user corrections or a human in the loop approach, self-correction using its own reasoning to identify and fix error, persistent memory, storing successful plans and outcomes in long-term memory stored for future uses. Moving to question number 13. What is the state in an agentic system? The state is the complete set of information an agent has about its correct current situations. This includes the current goal, the history of actions, the result of its last action, and any relevant information retrieved from its memory or environment. Moving to question number 14. What is a well-defined state crucial for agentic systems? A well-defined state allows the agent to make consistent and context-aware decisions. Without a clear state, the agent would lose track of its progress, repeat actions, or make illogical decisions. Moving to question number 15. Describe the role of retrieval augmented generation RAG in the agentic system. RAG is a key component for long-term memory. The agent first retrieve relevant information from a knowledge base using vector search and then use this information to augment its prompt to the LLM, large language models. This provides the agent with up-to-date and specific knowledge that is that it was not trained on, preventing hallucination and improving accuracy. Moving to question number 16. How does an agent's context window relate to its short-term memory? The context window is primary mechanism for an agent's short-term memory. It's the limited amount of text token an LLM can process at once. The agent's history of thoughts and action is compressed and passed within its window to provide the necessary context for the LLM to make its next decision. Moving to question number 17. What is the purpose of tools descriptions in an agent's prompts? The tool's description is a crucial for the LLM to understand what the tool does, its purpose, and when to use it. A well-written description, often including the function, signature, and a clear explanation, allow the LLM to intelligently select the right tool for a given task and provide the correct parameters. Moving to question number 18. Explain prompts chaining. How is it used in agentic system? Prompt chaining is the process of linking a series of LLM calls together, where the output of one call becomes the input for the next. In agentic system, this is used to implement complex multi-step plan, allowing the agent to break down a problem, execute a step, and then use the result to inform the next step to the chain. Moving to question number 19. What is a state machine approach to building an agent? A state machine approach model the agent's behavior as a set of discrete states, example, planning, executing tools, reflecting. The agent transition between these states based on its actions and the outcomes. This provides a structured and predictable way to manage the agent's workflow, and it's particularly useful for debugging. Moving to question number 20. How does an agent handles a goal that is too complex for a single step? The agents use its reasoning engine for task decomposition. It breaks the complex goal into hierarchy of a smaller, more manageable sub-goal. It then executes these sub-goals sequentially using the outcome of each inform the path to the next until the final goal is achieved. So friends, these are the 10 more questions from the question answer series. Hope you can enjoy learning. Have a good day. Thank you.